Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make study notes on your phone. First, select a note-taking app that suits your needs, like Google Keep or Evernote. Next, create a clear organizational structure using folders or notebooks for different subjects or courses. This helps keep everything tidy and accessible. Remember to use tags or keywords within your notes to make searching for specific information quick and efficient. This foundational setup is crucial for effective mobile studying. To make your notes truly effective, focus on summarizing key concepts rather than copying verbatim. This active process aids retention. Don't hesitate to integrate visuals. A quick screenshot of a complex diagram or a simple drawing can convey a lot of information. Employ bullet points and numbered lists to break down dense text, making your notes easier to scan and review. This approach transforms passive reading into active learning. Elevate your study notes by adding voice memos, especially for complex topics where a quick verbal explanation can be invaluable. Consider linking related notes together or including links to external resources for deeper dives. Color coding can also be a powerful tool. Assign specific colors to definitions, examples, or important formulas to quickly identify different types of information. These enhancements make your notes dynamic and comprehensive. Consistent review is paramount for solidifying knowledge. Schedule regular intervals to go over your notes, reinforcing what you've learned. Transform your notes into digital flashcards within your app to actively test your recall and identify areas needing more attention. This active retrieval practice is highly effective. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Keep refining your note-taking process for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.